Welcome back to our video blog. My name is Michèle Soregaroli. I am a Master Certified Coach with the International Coach Federation, and I am a differentiation strategist working with business owners and entrepreneurs. Thanks for joining us again today. What I wanted to talk to you about, particularly around differentiation, is scale. At scale, how do you differentiate? There's a lot of discussion around how to do that when you have a very large company on a global scale, if you will, or even in many locations, locally or nationally. What I wanted to notice, what I wanted to point out was when you have scale and when you have large companies, it's very important to recognize the distinctive nuances in your offer. Very often we think of scale in itself as a differentiator. It's not. When we have a differentiated offer at scale, we are actually leaning into three core areas. The things that people look for, your consumers in the market look for, that differentiate your large business from other businesses are a couple of things. The first one is longevity. Have you been around for a while? Have you got consistency in your story? Have you got a story arc that tells me that you're going to be here for the long term? Not just a short-term blip that's really exciting for right now and then evaporates because it no longer has relevance. Does your story have longevity in it? The second thing that longevity also brings to the equation around differentiation is persistence. If you've been in the market for a long time, or you're showing that you have the persistence to stay in the market for a long time because you've pushed through hurdles and you've worked through obstacles and you've been through good and bad market conditions. Your persistence and the company's longevity around that helps people distinguish your company from others that are also large and new to the game or struggling through the game. That's a distinctive differentiator. Lastly, one piece that is common today but not necessarily valued as a unique differentiator is transparency. Your willingness as a company to be transparent with the market about what is happening behind the scenes, what is happening that tells us that everything that you're putting out into the world is also consistent behind the curtain, so to speak. The more transparent you are and the more authentic you are in your offer, the more differentiated you are because it's scary. And people don't trust what they can't see. So I'll leave you with that to think about. If you have a large-scale business and you are looking for ways to emphasize the nuances and differentiate that which is unique about your offer, give those three things consideration: longevity, persistence, and transparency. And for now, as always, thanks for joining us, and I wish you success differently.